The pro is pollen's helping plants to grow, and the con is pollen's making us sneeze. The allergies came from pollens. The causes of that was here during spring break. I'ma bring back manga, music, all of them videos coming. Comment, like, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so I can do all these things. Be on the lookout like a pirate on the ship. Bye guys.